Hey everybody, welcome to our 31st episode of Brew Talk with Mr.Beer. My name is Robert Leach, host for today's show. Thanks for tuning in to watch. Before we dive into our topic today, which should be pretty quick, pretty short, have some housekeeping things. Like I said, if you ever want to see topics or future episodes, things you want us to talk about or anything like that, we're definitely open to suggestions. Just comment on the post in the Facebook group, say, hey guys, it'd be cool to learn more about this, whatever it may be, and we will talk about it for you. Helps us keep the content fresh, helps us keep, coming up with ideas that you are looking for. And I think it'd be a cool way to kind of engage more with our customers. So if you're in the Facebook group, you're watching this, post some stuff in the group about things you want to see. Tag myself, tag Ashley, tag Zach. In the post, that way we know, we can keep track, we can build a log. Coming the holidays, so we all are getting pretty busy, but we want to keep this thing rolling. As you know, I'm a day behind schedule here. Usually we do this on Wednesday. Today's Thursday. Playing a little catch up yesterday. What am I drinking? That's a good question. Last week I didn't tell you. It was the Golden Ale I was drinking, in case you were wondering. We did release that last week. New refill. If you haven't got it, get it. Big sale going on the site right now. Holiday sales started today. I'm drinking our Funky Pumpkin. Felt a little funky today. A little pumpkin-y. Thanksgiving next week. I think it's perfect timing. Awesome recipe, by the way, if you haven't brewed it. Funky Pumpkin Saison. Does not taste much like a Saison. Just a little funky, which is why I like it. It's really good. It's actually been aging for a little bit. It's pretty dang good. All right. Enough of me rambling about nothing. So our topic is going to be pretty short. I thought that since the holidays are coming up, a lot of you guys are brewers, might be looking to either do something cool, do something new, buy a cool gift for somebody. So I kind of want to talk about how to customize your own Mr.Beer kit. We sell a lot of complete kits. You can find them. I see people talking in the group. You can find our products on other places like Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, all that stuff like that. Obviously, you're buying from Mr.Beer from our website. You're always guaranteed a little bit of freshness. You get the booster packs with your refills, some extra perks like that, and they count for your rewards program. So just remember that if you're buying from somewhere else, those orders don't count for your rewards. When you buy from Mr.Beer.com, we build up for those rewards. You can save 5, 10, 15% on your orders going forwards. We do got a lot of people that have been taking advantage of those offers, and they get the emails. They're in level 1, 2, or 3, so it's pretty cool to see all those people leveling up over the last few months, which is pretty exciting. So how to customize your own kit. Very simple, pretty straightforward. If you're looking to give a gift, this is the way to do it. On our Mr.Beer.com on our website, we have a product called our equipment kit. Now this is just basically a kit with equipment in it with no refill. So it's got fermenter, bottles, all the equipment you need to brew a batch, but it doesn't come with any can of malt extract or anything else like that. So I think the cool thing about this kit and why I've kind of kept it kind of alive and up and going, and we recently changed the title of it too, to say customize your own beer kit, is that you can buy that kit. You can go buy whatever refill or recipe you want and customize like your own kit. So if you're looking and you don't really like any of the canned options that we have in kits, you can buy that and then go buy a different can if you want that kit. Or you can buy that kit and buy a recipe. I know I've seen some guys in the Facebook group when we run our equipment kit sales that have kind of bought the equipment kit and bought 2 recipes, and that was that their first brews was those kind of styles or those beers. So if you really want a cool recipe or a cool unique gift, buy the equipment kit, go pick out your recipe, check out. They will ship separately. The instructions that will come with the equipment kit are kind of the basic instructions. So if you're giving that as a gift, I'd recommend, let's say if you buy the equipment kit and you buy our Funky Pumpkin Saison because someone likes pumpkin beers, you would thought, oh, that'd be a great gift for them to brew. I'd recommend printing out the instructions, putting them in there when you get it, or emailing the instructions, whatever you want to do with that reference. But just a cool way to kind of get started, to kind of customize your own and let someone who wants to brew with Mr.Beer, but maybe want to do the standard cans, they want to do like a recipe or a super bitter IPA or something like that. IPAs, Angry Ranger IPA, if you love IPAs, I talked about it in the group last week. You got to brew that thing. It's off the charts. Off topic. But if you want to do that, that'd definitely be the way to do it. The equipment kit, and just add any refill, add any recipe you want to your cart. The equipment kit will come with everything you need. The refill recipe will come with everything you need to brew it. You'll be good to go. Allows you to customize your own kit. Just remember, they don't kind of ship in the nice looking boxes. Ships in a cardboard box. The refill recipe ships in a separate box. So it's not, you don't get that clean kind of, like product look to it, but it does the job. It provides you something cool, something unique, and something awesome. While I'm on the topic, we kicked off our holiday sales today. I don't usually plug our sales that much. Holiday sales, these will run all the way through next weekend. We thought we'd start early because it's Christmas. It cooled down here today. I feel like I'm in a festive outfit today because I just wanted to be excited for holidays. I love Christmas. So we got 20% off refills and recipes going, and we have buy one and get one free on all beer kits. So this is the perfect time. If you're looking to get a beer kit, I would get it now. buy one, get one free. This includes the equipment kit I'm talking about. You can buy 2 of these equipment kits, get one of the kits for free, and then get 2 recipes, and you got 2 beer kits. Customize your own. Even if you want to just buy it for yourself, now you got an extra fermenter and an extra bottles, plus an extra fermenter and extra bottles for free. So it's really a way to just build up your own pipeline. Introduce some friends into brewing. Do whatever you want to do. I think giving the gift of beer is probably the best gift you can give during the holiday season. It's my favorite gift to give and to get is always beer. So if anybody wants to get Mr. Beer anything for Christmas, Mr. Beer loves beer, just so you guys know. So that's going to wrap it up. Short and sweet, like I said. Just wanted to kind of introduce that, especially with the holidays coming next week. We'll be back on Wednesday before Thanksgiving next week to kind of talk about some more stuff. We do post these videos on our website, on our blog page, mrbeer.com/blog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you see them, like them, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever, heart them, whatever option there is available to like it, comment. If you have any questions or anything, we'll get back to you as quick as we can. If you have not, please join our Facebook group. We're over 600 members strong now. It's cruising along. I know we have a lot more brewers than that, though, so some people are slacking. I need to get in the group, answer the 3 questions. We'll let you join. If you are new and you want to learn about brewing and you're just interested, just comment in the questions or reply in the questions that you're new, that you just want to learn. We'll let you in the group so you can learn, enjoy, see all the pictures. You guys are making some great recipes, posting some awesome pictures in there. It's just a really cool group. It's fun to be a part of it, like the posts, the comments, all the interactions. You guys are great. We definitely appreciate our customers. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope you're brewing some beer. Take advantage of some of the sales we got going on. And I'll talk to you guys next week. Cheers, guys.